Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to set different colors on your light depending on certain weather conditions. First, let's start by accessing the automation page. You can watch the video pinned on the top right side of this video to learn more about Tap to Run and automation. Now, you should see the following options. For this video, we will focus on the weather conditions. So let's press on when weather changes. You have to choose one condition between all those weather-related conditions. Let's take a look at them individually. When you press on a condition for the first time, if you haven't set a home location yet, it will automatically search for your location. But remember to allow DOS Connect to do so. First, let's check temperature. With this one, you can choose if you want the condition to trigger if the temperature is less, equal, or more than the one you've chosen in Fahrenheit. Humidity will trigger the condition depending on the state you've chosen between dry, comfortable, or moist. Weather will trigger the condition when the state you've chosen between the ones you see. It's the same concept for sunset, sunrise, and wind speed is the same as temperature. It's simply different states that are going to trigger the condition that will affect your lights. For my example, we will go with weather, since at the time this video is being created, Christmas is very close. Let's choose the snowy state. When your choice is done, simply press on Next. You can now see that you have 4 tasks to choose from. I will explain each of them in another video. For now, let's choose Run the device. Select the light or group you wish to trigger. Once again, if you wish to learn more about the following features, click on the video on the top right side. For my example, we will turn Switch to On. Use Bright to turn the brightness to 50%. Make this last 24 hours. And finally, turn the light's color to blue. You can now modify both the saturation and go from darker to lighter. When you've chosen all of the effects you desire, press on Next. And finally, make sure to save your automation. Colors can also be set via Tap to Run with the following actions. But since it's a manual action, it does not require any conditions. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.